Welcome to day 4 of the 30-day Paradiddle jump rope challenge, in which every day this month we'll find a new way of applying right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, using a jump rope. So yesterday we focused on the boxer step. We went right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. We're going to do a variation of that, which, if you know what this is called, go ahead and put it in the comments. I'm just going to call it pendulum. So it reminds me of those cradle pendulum things you see in psychiatry offices that go like this. All right, so we're just going to do a paradiddle. That was right, left, right, left. So we're going right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Let's add the rope.